It's 6:30 a.m., and I'm about to board a bus with strangers from 4 different countries to hike somewhere up in Portland that most tourists have never even heard of. So I joined Fortis Tours for a trek to Cascade Falls, and it changed how I think about adventure in Jamaica. If you're watching from Kingston and you think you need to travel far to experience something incredible, stick around because I'm about to prove you wrong. And hey, if you end up loving this video as much as I love this hike, gently tap that like button. It really helps get more eyes on hidden gems like this one. We loaded up at 6:30 in the morning from Kingston. We said a quick prayer together, and there's something special about starting an adventure that way with people from all over the world. Our group had hikers from India, Germany, Trinidad, and of course, us locals. That's what I love about Fortis Tours. It's this beautiful mix of international travelers and Jamaicans discovering our own backyard. The drive itself is an experience. We passed through Irish Town, Red Light District, and Newcastle. And can we talk about Newcastle for a second? We stopped for photos, and the views are absolutely stunning. Then we arrived at Holywell. Our tour leader Andre gathered everyone for some stretching, and thank God we did because we were about to need it. After quick introductions, we headed towards Cascade Falls. The trail starts downhill, and you're feeling great, feeling confident, until you realize that it's not all downhill. But that wasn't even the wild part. The path got so overgrown that Andre literally had to pull out tools and start cutting through bushes to make it passable for us.
A real bush, this one?
But here's what made it amazing. We struggled together, we sweated together, and we laughed together. There's something about shared adventure that erases borders instantly.
Oh! It's a nice place to take a break.
Yeah, it is.
So it's the back. As money gets in me, the next person can come.
After about an hour and a half of hiking, we finally made it. And when I tell you Cascade Falls took my breath away, the falls is breathtaking. The water was crystal clear, cool, and so refreshing. Now, here's my one regret. I didn't stay in the water long enough. The falls has a bathroom and changing area, which is super convenient. Plus, there's this small structure that's being developed into a seating area and bar. But honestly, it's already perfect. The lush greenery, the mountain views in the distance, and that stunning waterfall, you don't need anything else. We spent about 2 hours at the falls, and every minute was worth the trek. This is what Jamaica is really about, not just the beaches that everyone sees, but these hidden mountain escapes that bring the world together. By the end of the day, we weren't strangers anymore. That's the magic of Fortis Tours. You come for the scenery, but you leave with friends. The whole experience, from leaving Kingston at 6:30 a.m. to getting back at almost 2 p.m., was roughly 7.5 hours of pure adventure. Would I do it again? Absolutely. In fact, I'm already planning my next hike with Fortis Tours. If this video inspired you to get out there and explore, tap that like button. Fortis Tours runs regular hikes, and their crew really knows how to show you Jamaica beyond the tourist spots. I'll drop their Instagram and website links in the description below. Remember, adventure is closer than you think. Sometimes it's just a bus ride away at 6:30 in the morning, surrounded by people from around the world who all want the same thing, to experience something wonderful.